Hi, it's Scott at OrganiLock, and I'm here today to follow up on the regenerative ag discussion we've been having here in Madisonville, Kentucky, as it relates to two fields that we've been comparing. One field set up to use commercial nitrate technology to feed the plant, and this one using our notrate technology to feed the soil to feed the plant, and then compare the differences. Well, unfortunately, this year we didn't communicate well with our service provider for nitrates in the spring, and we asked him not to put it here, but we wanted it back there. He didn't put it on either, so the performance of that field was just poor. It's 27 bushels an acre and unusable data for this test. However, this field stands alone. It's typically a very average field for the past several decades, but we broadcast OrganiLock soil food on here at the rate of 0.5 ton per acre, and the net yield was 71 bushels per acre against a state average of 55. So we've done quite well. 8 years of testing, we know it's going to do well, but here's one more confirmation. So for the rest of this video, I just want to compare what I think are three options that we have available to us as a human race, for that matter. And that is to keep doing what we're doing, using the nitrates, and hope for better results. We can follow the crowd of movie makers and consultants that are telling us what's wrong with the soil, and then bring solutions like no-till, crop rotation, animal rotation, biochar, compost, water management, and now a huge emphasis on we really need to get soil life back up and healthy in the soil again, and I agree with that one 100%. But all of those options from the crowd they're good ideas by themselves, but none of them by themselves are going to solve the problem. Even corporately, they aren't a rapid, robust, scalable solution. So number three is we do need a new robust solution that is scalable, affordable, takes advantage of a brand new nutrient resource. It's pre-distributed, all the things that we need to rapidly regenerate the soil by feeding it, and a technology to be able to do that. So we've developed the technology. We are laying claim to the fact that animal mortality is that last nutrient resource available to mankind that's not being used, pre-distributed and available, right price, all those good things. But there's a lot of work to making that happen at an ag level. We're already doing it on the consumer side, and it works great. Your home garden, your raised beds, pots, trees, landscape, whatever, it works fantastic. So we're running the company on that side to fund part of the efforts that go into making sure that the ag part gets tested, proven, confirmed by the powers to be in the world to say, okay, this is a solution that works. So if you're here watching this, we are committed to making this work. We will persevere, but we know we're not going to do it by ourselves. So if you are part of a seed company or an equipment company or know people that are, we're looking to partner with people to move this forward because we know we can't do it by ourselves. If you are an academic and you've just got a question or a debate as to what we're doing, we'd love to hear that, because if we're wrong, we want to redirect. But we're moving forward, and any of you that would like to engage with us on this journey, we would love to see you come along. Reach out to us here at OrganiLock. A lot more videos to come to explain more detail of how it works. But we look forward to moving forward, and hopefully some of you with us. So until the next video or the next time we see you later.